friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you've found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. This is a full vocal warm-up routine to get your voice revved up and ready to go. Sing along with me, and let's build our voices together. Let's begin, as always, with a moment of attention to alignment, relaxation, and breathing. Breathe in, and go ahead and shrug your shoulders up, and then relax with an exhale, drop them. Let's do that one more time. This time, exhale on a lip trill as you release your shoulders. Aim for that freedom of movement. Aim for that freedom of movement and relaxation. We'll start with an easy coo, like coo. As we work today, as always, feel free to switch octaves if you need to, and the exercises are all listed below. Let's move on now to a key sound. We'll sing key, key, key. This will help with onset and breath coordination, as well as efficiency as we wake up our voices. Again, that's key, 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 key. Key, 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 Nicely done. Let's move on now to a glide. I'll give you a choice on this one. You can sing on a v sound, like or through a straw, or a vocal trainer like this one. You can learn more about this in the links below. Let's notice and release any tension in the jaw, tongue, and neck. Now it's just the tip of the tongue. We're going to sing on loo-lee-loo on this pattern. Loo-lee-loo-lee-loo-lee-loo. Nice and easy. Loo-lee-loo-lee-loo-lee-loo-lee-loo. This next exercise is great for connecting across vocal ranges or registers. We're going to sing on a Hng-ah sound. That first sound puts air through the nose with no discernible vowel. Hng-ah, like now of smooth and consistent airflow, we're going to move to the sounds o, ah on the following pattern. Compound exercise that uses 3 sounds, a lip trill, an Ng sound like and a bright but open nay. We're going to sing the following pattern. Ideally, I'd aim to do all of these in one breath, but if you need to breathe between 2 of the exercises, go ahead. Again, that's nay. in a bit more flexibility now, we're going to sing on the sounds money, money, mo. We want all the vibration to feel up here in front of the face. We'll sing money, 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 mo. 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 I'd like to take a moment to tell you about my mobile app that I've published to help singers just like you build your voice with vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises. It's commercial free, it's full of specially curated vocal warm-up and exercise lists for every need. It's super easy to use, it's affordable, and you can save your favorites. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. That's me. Check that out in the links below or in the Google Play or App Stores. Now we're going to move smoothly through a few different vowels. We're going to sing on the sounds E, A, A, like E, A, A. We're gliding down. E, A, A. E, A, A. E, A, A. Now let's finish up with a full octave arpeggio. We'll sing on the sounds Z-ah, like Z-ah. Allow this to stretch your range a bit. It's important that we work all the way through those ranges. Hang in there, meet you at the end. Z-ah, 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 Z-ah. Let's go ahead and sigh down together to relax. Great job hanging in there today. I hope your voice is feeling wonderful. Thank you again for singing with me. I do hope you'll check out my app, and I really appreciate your support. Keep it up, and let's sing again soon.